Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again. We are making a new makeup tutorial. For today's video, I will try to make a bridal tutorial. I'm not sure if I can make it. This is my first time making it, so let's see if it's working or not. But before that, if you are just new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Click the notification bells for more updates. Thank you. I use this Sassy Lady Brow Gel. It's dark brown. You can see up the face on this one. So I use this Essence Primer Mattifying Pores. This is really good if you have a dry skin, guys. Always choose a mattifying primer. Like me, I have very heavy dry skin. That's why I use this one. Just put it all around of your face. Make sure that everything is covered with the primer. It helps a lot. For my foundation, I use this Essence Stay all these 16 hours. For me, it's a number 10. The number is so peach. It fits on my color. You have to find a suit for your color, guys. But it will not so heavy white for me, but it will be fitting your color. Eyebrow, it will more nice than this. Should try it first. Normally, we have an eyes primer, but I don't have one, so I use concealer for my eyes. The eyeshadow will not be powdery. Say concealer helps if you have oily eyes, but I don't have one. I have a dry one. So I use this Mangi Palette. As always, I always love the color of this palette. It's so nude. I like more. It's more natural. little bit more nice in the eyes. It's more emphasizing. I don't know exactly if it's really help, but I love to look my eyes when I have it. And then I use this Manhattan mascara before I put my false lashes. I put first the mascara. That's why I have to use this one. I always choose the cheapest one, that's why. And then I use this Beauty Palette Contour for my contouring on my nose.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, we're hosting tonight. You free? Yeah. Alright, I'll see you there.
It's midnight, we're going all night. Can you pass a drink to get the vibe right? Don't feel like having a Bud Light. How's tequila with some salt and lime? Oh my, am I alright? Thanks for asking, doing just fine. Can I say that you're looking real nice? We'll have to chat right now before I get high. When you gaze into my eyes, I feel like I'm on cloud nine. You bang harder than 4th of July. I think I can go all night, yeah. The way you bite your lips, blush and smile you give, you're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you, you. Arthur Unit, Marshall Summit, Liddy Titty, hella tipsy, feeling dizzy, gone already, getting cross, drinking Henny, pour one on the rocks. Crazy but not like CeeLo, take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor, while the beer was a lover. Trust we ain't no amateurs, nah. We got this, to rest assured. But when I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Some are lying on the bed, lucid dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you. About you. About you. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something special made me think about you. About you, you, you. About you, you, you.
A few moments later.